As Thanksgiving is fast approaching my neighbors in the US, I felt inspired to create an unconventional fall or Thanksgiving tablescape ready for anyone's next dinner party. I'm Melissa, and I'd like to welcome you into my home so that I can show you how you can do this in yours. I didn't have a buffalo check table runner, so I used cloth napkins and it did the trick. You can use a tablecloth as well, which I usually do, but I wanted the wood of the table to act as a background. I'm a huge fan of plate chargers or alternatives of something that clearly defines your designated setting for your guest. Anything to add dimension, layers, and texture are those little details that will make your table stand out. Since the theme of my table is Thanksgiving or fall, I decided to make it a little bit unconventional by using different types of florals. I decided to go with rich, deep colors. I did incorporate some orange, that kind of burnt orange and yellow colors, but I decided to forego leaves and pine cones, those kind of things that you might typically see during the season. When I'm creating a tablescape, I always start with a theme. I chose to use flowers and candelabras for a touch of elegance, but I incorporated that black and white buffalo check pattern just to keep it fun and playful. I like to start with my main focal points. What do I want to kind of base all the rest of my decorations around? I chose a pumpkin because, hey, it's fall, Thanksgiving, why not? I also put some candelabras, but you can really use anything, lanterns, other pumpkins. Really, you don't have to put anything at all. When you are creating any type of floral centerpiece, it's always a good idea to separate the flowers. That way you can really spread out the colors, make sure that you actually like it where it is. I realize I really need to style the back of my head before I take videos like this. Note for future self. And I am just incorporating the colors, stepping back, making sure I like where it looks, adding some greenery, some more leaves, really until you feel like you have that touch, until you think it's complete. I decided, of course, hey, go big or go home with pumpkins. So I incorporated some more throughout the centerpiece. Then you can just finish off your table setting as formally or informally as you would like. I added buffalo check napkins and some pumpkins on top. You could actually incorporate little name tags, really individualize it for your guests. I love how it's in style to be unconventional. Even though traditional is still timeless, you can still incorporate some of your own personality and really make it your own and create something different that you won't see in magazines, you won't see at your friends' houses. Therefore, when your guests come and see yours, they're going to be impressed. But seriously, this is only one of many ways to decorate. Why don't you let me know in the comments of what you think about it? Well, there you have it. I hope this motivates you to throw a little fall flair into your next dinner party. For more inspiration like this, please consider liking and subscribing, as it always helps to grow my channel. Until next time, stay inspired.